Assalamu alaikum viewers and good evening. Welcome back to my YouTube channel Unique Fashion. I am fine and I hope my followers are also fine, doing well and good condition in health. I am also perfect and thanks to my Allah for everything. I also pray for you to Allah Almighty, so Allah give you more healthy, wealthy life, successful life and happy life, and please you also pray for me. I hope you are waiting my latest video. So girls, the wait is over. Today being some special beautiful crochet neck warmer ideas, beautiful ideas, different designing. Most demanding collection, most wearing collection. So girls, please you must watch my video till the end. All the patterns are very beautiful, stylish, handmade knitting variety. Different designing. Some are light color uses, some are dark color, color contrast, plain color ideas, multicolors. Some are simple and some are beautiful wooden button up style. Hopefully like this. Press the bell icon. When you press the bell icon, you will get notification all of my videos and latest ideas about crocheting work. Very nice. Different designing, different colors. If you know crochet work, so you can also make by yourself at your home without any trouble. If you don't know crochet work, so you can buy this crocheting work from any shopping mart. If you want to buy online, so please visit some websites like AliExpress, Amazon, abaware.com, etsware.com, Light in the Box, kbus.com and super.com. Very nice. Okay viewers, now I have to go. See you again with next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Take care viewers. Bye bye and please pray for me. Allah Hafiz. Have a nice day. Okay viewers, bye bye.